Ready to transform your living room into a cinema without spending a fortune? In 2025, home theater movie screens are more advanced than ever, with budget-friendly models delivering theater-quality visuals for movie lovers, gamers, and families alike. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best home theater movie screens. From stunning fixed-frame designs to versatile manual pull-downs and ultra-short throw setups, these picks deliver incredible value. For more details and the latest prices, check the links in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Akia Screen's 100-inch fixed-frame projector screen. If you want professional picture quality at a reasonable price, the Akia Screen's 100-inch fixed-frame screen should be at the top of your list. Designed for 8K, 4K Ultra HD, and active 3D projectors, the screen uses Akia's ISF-certified Cine-White UHDB material with a 1.3 gain to deliver bright, vibrant images across its 100-inch 16:9 viewing area. Cine-White reflects light evenly over a wide 180-degree viewing angle, so everyone in the room enjoys the same color-accurate picture. The screen is fringed by a 2.75-inch lightweight aluminum bezel covered in black velvet, which not only absorbs overshoot, but boosts perceived contrast for a sharper image. Assembly is straightforward thanks to a tensioned rod and spring system. The package includes sliding wall brackets, drywall anchors, and screws, so 2 people can install the screen in about an hour. Because the Cine-White material is washable with soap and water, it's easy to maintain a clean viewing surface. Akia Screen also supports standard, short throw, and ultra short throw projectors, making it versatile for different setups. Reviewers love its solid build and blackout capabilities, saying the image quality rivals large LED TVs. With a 4.5-star rating from hundreds of customers, it offers premium performance at a relatively affordable price. Pros: Cine-White UHDB material with 1.3 gain delivers bright images. Wide 180-degree viewing angle and 4K 8K compatibility. 2.75-inch black velvet frame enhances contrast and absorbs overshoot. Tensioned rod system and included hardware make installation easy. Supports standard, short throw, and ultra short throw projectors. Cons: assembly may require 2 people. Plastic hooks and middle bar can cause streaks if not aligned. Logo on the frame may be distracting but can be removed.
Number 2. Elite Screen's Sable Frame 2 Series 120-inch fixed frame projector screen. The Sable Frame 2 Series from Elite Screens is a favorite among home theater enthusiasts because it combines a sleek design with high-end materials. The 2.36-inch aluminum frame is wrapped in black velvet to absorb stray light and enhance contrast, giving your wall a polished look. Elite's Cine-White material provides a 1.1 gain and a 160-degree viewing angle, so images stay bright and color accurate from almost any seat. The screen is 4K Ultra HD and active 3D ready, making it future-proof for next-generation projectors. A black backing blocks light penetration for improved picture quality, while adjustable fixed plates and sliding wall mounts keep the projection surface perfectly tensioned and centered. The Sable Frame 2 is designed for quick assembly. Elite says it can be put together in minutes and comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Available sizes range from 92 inches up to 200 inches, so you can choose the perfect fit for your space. Its clean lines and reliable performance make it an excellent choice for dedicated home theaters. Pros: black velvet-covered aluminum frame absorbs light and enhances contrast. Cine-White material with 1.1 gain and 160-degree viewing angle. 4K, 8K, and active 3D ready with black backing to prevent light penetration. Easy to assemble with adjustable tension plates and sliding mounts. Available in a wide range of sizes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Cons: not designed for ultra short throw projectors, no AOR coating. 1.1 gain may be dim and brightly lit rooms, and large sizes require ample wall space and careful installation. Number 3. Elite Screen's Easy Frame Series home theater screen. For those who want more premium features and material options, the Easy Frame series from Elite Screens is a compelling upgrade. This award-winning fixed-frame screen features full tension uniformity, ensuring a perfectly flat surface with no wrinkles or waves. You can choose from several screen materials including Cine-White, Cine-Gray 5D, Wraith Veil for rear projection, and acoustically transparent Acoustic Pro 1080p 2 and P3, so it's easy to tailor the screen to your room's lighting conditions. giving you flexibility to manage your projector and room layout. With simple assembly and a 2-year warranty, the Easy Frame series is ideal for homeowners looking for a professional-grade screen that can grow with their home theater system.
Pros: award-winning design with uniform tension for a flat viewing surface, multiple material options, Cine White, Cine Gray 5D, Acoustic Pro, etc. Anodized aluminum frame with black velour surfacing absorbs overshoot. 4K, 8K, and 3D ready with easy sliding mounts and quick assembly. Wide range of aspect ratios and sizes, up to 226 inches. Cons: higher price than entry-level screens. Heavy frame may require 2 people to mount. Selecting the right material requires understanding your room's lighting.
Number 4. Vivo 100-inch manual projector screen 16:9, AF214. Not everyone needs a fixed frame. If you prefer a retractable screen you can hide when not in use, the Vivo 100-inch manual screen is a great option. Its durable metal case allows dual wall or ceiling installation, making it suitable for home theaters, conference rooms, or classrooms. This model offers an affordable way to enjoy a big screen without permanently dedicating wall space. Pros: durable metal casing for ceiling or wall mounting. Max white 1.1 gain material with black backing and 120-degree viewing angle. Matte surface diffuses light evenly, black borders enhance contrast. Manual pull-down with auto lock, no electrical hookup required. Compatible with most LED, LCD, and DLP projectors. Cons: manual operation requires physical effort to raise and lower. Not tensioned, may develop slight waves over time. 120-degree viewing angle is narrower than fixed frame alternatives.
Number 5. Nothing Projector Black Series ALR CLR UST projector screen. For cutting-edge, ultra-short throw setups, the Nothing Projector Black Series screen offers impressive performance. This ALR or ambient light rejecting screen is designed specifically for ultra-short throw projectors. Its ST carbon black coating and lenticular structure reject ambient light and enhance contrast in bright rooms. Customers appreciate the vivid contrast and wide viewing angles, though the screen's high price and weight mean it's best for dedicated home theaters. Pros: ambient light rejecting design, 95% rejection for bright rooms. 0.6 gain lenticular surface with 170-degree viewing angle. ST carbon black coating and PET crystal material support 4K UHD. Customizable aspect ratios, 16:9, 4:3, and ultra short throw compatibility. Excellent for laser TV and UST projector setups. Cons: high cost compared with standard white screens. Heavy and may require professional installation. 0.6 gain means you need a bright UST projector for best results. These 5 screens represent the best home theater movie screens of 2025. Whether you prioritize a fixed frame masterpiece, a retractable manual screen, or a cutting-edge ambient light rejecting surface for ultra short throw laser TVs, there's an option here to elevate your home cinema.